How to use the timer on your iPhone's camera. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can actually use the timer of your iPhone's camera. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use the timer of your iPhone's camera, which means that after you press the shutter button, you wanted to take these photos after a certain while, you can absolutely customize that time. For that, first of all, if you open camera and then if you select a photo, you can see it's actually going to select instantly, right? But if you want to go ahead and then actually select a custom time for this, just tap on the arrow icon first at the top and then you enable these options, scroll and then actually look for the timer icon which you see over here, and then just tap on the timer icon. You can select 3 seconds or you can even select 10 seconds. So basically now after you select the time, when you click the shutter button, you'll see a flash appearing over here, and after this flash has been completed, it is going to take the photo for you automatically, and until then you can go ahead and then actually reposition yourself. Now you can go ahead and then simply take photos without ever feeling left out. And this is it on how you can actually use the timer on your iPhone's camera. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.